Hi, my name is Ryan Thompson, and I'm one of the solution engineers here at N2W. In today's tutorial, I'll be walking you through how to create a support ticket for cases when you need to ask your team a question or if you're experiencing any issues with your N2W server. From your console, select the question mark at the top right and select Support. Once this new tab opens, scroll down to near the bottom and click Open a Support Ticket. You'll be brought to this new page here, which is our support portal. If you haven't already got an account created, you will need to create one in order to raise a ticket. Once you've got your account created, you'll be able to submit a ticket here. There's a few mandatory fields and a few optional, okay? The product edition and the product version, you can find this from your console itself. So if you click the question mark and about, you have your product edition and your product version. Heading back to the support ticket here, if we scroll down, we have some priorities. There's a low, medium, and a high, so please select the priority that's most relevant to your issue. If you're raising a support ticket due to an error that you see in your console or a functionality isn't working as expected, then our support team will need a set of N2W server logs, which can be obtained from your console or through the CLI. You can upload logs to the ticket, but there's a maximum of 40 megabytes per attachment. Okay, so if the logs are greater than that, then you'll need to upload them to our FTP server. Once you raise your ticket, you'll receive an automatic email from our team, and this will have the FTP server details on it. So if you do need to upload logs and they are larger than 40 megabytes, then you can upload them using the FTP server details there. If for some reason you cannot access your N2W server web console, then we have a knowledge base article of how to gather logs from the CLI. So if you scroll up to the top of your page and click on knowledge base, click on frequently asked questions and type in how to gather logs. There's a few options here. The one we want to select is the second one. Must gather information for CPM, how to collect relevant details for support. This article is very good because it explains exactly how to collect logs from the CLI and also how to collect it from the web portal. If you do need to collect it from the CLI, then you're looking for this part here. Simply connect to your server over SSH, run these commands here, and copy the logs to your local machine. Once you've done that, you can then upload them to an FTP server or upload them to the ticket. That is all for today's tutorial. Thank you guys for watching and listening, and I'll see you next time.